article teaches you how to discover Netflix secret menus with codes using a web browser or TV. We will also give you an extensive list of all Netflix secret menu things you should know. Get the code for the secret menu you want to view. Browser through the code to find a movie genre that interests you. Copy a code of your choice, then paste it at the end of the Netflix URL in your browser. Browser Netflix secret menus code to find a generation. Netflix has secret second to 6-digit menus code that can help you find specific type of movies and TV shows. These codes break down Netflix content into a highly specific genres, so you can find things to watch you would not find or otherwise. Skip down to our massive Netflix secret menus code list to see what available. Once you have found secret menu code, highlight it with your mouse and copy it or it down somewhere so you don't forget it. You can then use the code to access secret Netflix menus when you are watching on TV or a web browser. Unfortunately, secret menus do not work in the mobile app on tablets and smartphones. Some secret codes are fairly broad, such as the code 67673, which is the for the Disney movies and shows. Other codes are more specific generation like 1577 for critically acclaimed quickly comedies, and 1271 is for emotional documentaries. Go to the Netflix browser URL. If you are using a computer log to into the netflix.com and hit browser, you can also go to the URL. If you are watching Netflix your TV, just open the search option, type the secret menu code and hit enter. Add the code to the end of the URL in the address bar. Type or paste the code after the last character in the address bar, then press enter or return. You will be redirected to a page showing films and shows from that specific generation. For example, if you are using the code 1577 to find quickly comedies, you type in the quickly comedies secret Netflix menu. You will be presented with a list of films and shows in your chosen generation. From here, you can select things to watch as you normally would.